Hello friends! Welcome to today's video where I will analyze Suzlon Energy's share price. We'll break down its historical trends, technical indicators, and the right entry and exit points using stock market charts. So, watch this video till the end for a complete analysis. First, a quick introduction to Suzlon Energy. Suzlon is a leading player in the renewable energy sector, specializing in wind turbine manufacturing. The company has shown significant growth in recent years, making it an attractive choice for investors. Their recent earnings, revenue trends, and profit margins have been noteworthy too. Now let's dive into Suzlon Energy's stock price history. Over the last few years, Suzlon's stock price has seen its share of ups and downs. Key support levels have given the stock a strong base, while resistance levels have often capped its upward movement. Major news and government policies have had a significant impact on the stock's performance as well. Moving on to the technical analysis. When we look at the charts, the 50-day and 200-day moving averages can tell us a lot about the stock's trend. If the stock price crosses above these averages, it often signals a bullish trend. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, helps us understand whether the stock is overbought or oversold. An RSI above 70 indicates overbought conditions, while below 30 indicates oversold. The MACD indicator is another tool that shows momentum shifts and possible trend reversals. Finally, trading volume can reveal the level of market interest and potential direction of the trend. Let's also consider Suzlon's fundamentals. A glance at their balance sheet shows the debt-to-equity ratio and cash flow status, which are crucial for assessing financial health. Earnings per share, or EPS, tells us how much profit Suzlon is generating per share. Future growth prospects are also promising with upcoming projects, favorable government policies, and positive industry trends. So, what's the best entry and exit strategy for Suzlon shares? Look for buying opportunities at key support levels and bullish signals. On the flip side, consider selling when the stock reaches strong resistance levels or when technical indicators suggest a reversal. Don't forget to set stop-loss levels to protect against sudden downturns. So friends, today we analyze Suzlon Energy's share price using both technical and fundamental analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, comment below with your thoughts on Suzlon Energy. Are you investing in it? See you in the next video.
Do you want to know how the stock market goes up and why it comes down? When should you enter, and when is it better to exit? Watch the video till the end because today we'll discuss this in full detail. First up, why does the market go up? It's simple, really. Think of demand and supply. When the demand for a company's shares increases, its price rises. Good company reports? Yes. If a company shows strong financial results, investors pour money into it. Economic stability plays a big role too. A strong economy stabilizes the market, pushing stock prices up. And let's not forget government policies. Low interest rates and business-friendly policies definitely drive the stock market upwards. Now, why does the market go down? Well, when there's high supply and low demand, prices start to fall. Weak company reports make investors withdraw their money. Economic crises like rising inflation or a weakening economy bring the market down. And if the government makes strict decisions like hiking interest rates or tightening business policies, investors pull their money out of the market. So, when should you enter the market? Buying at support levels is a good strategy, when a stock's price hits a specific support level and shows stability. Positive news or reports can also be a green light, and don't forget technical analysis. Use indicators like RSI, MACD, and moving averages to find the right entry points. And when should you exit? Look to sell at resistance levels, when a stock price touches its previous high and starts to decline. Negative market sentiment? Exit on time if the news turns bad or the market starts dipping. Technical analysis signals like an overbought RSI or a downward MACD signal are strong indicators to exit the trade. So friends, today we learned how the market moves up and down and what the best entry and exit points are. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, tell us in the comments which stocks you are investing in. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.
आँखों मेरी 100 बारी 10 बारी लड़े लड़े जावे ओ दिल में यारे